This is my Delonghi Magnifica Evo coffee making machine. Now, full disclosure, I don't really like everything about it, but I'm here doing this review to give you all the pros and the cons, just so you can make the right purchase decision before you buy. So first up, the one thing that I don't really like about it is the coffees can come out quite watery for my liking compared to other coffee machines I've used in the past. And that is a big downside if you do like a strong coffee in the morning. But there is also a lot of pros to this, like the fact that it has a My Latte setting, so you can customise and create your own latte to suit your own needs. This being if you want an extra shot of espresso or you want a syrup in with it as well. It's a really great added touch that I like about it. Also, the milk frother makes making lattes much easier. It's also really easy to use as well. All you've got to do is press the button on the side and it pulls straight out. Unclip the lid, put your milk in, and then put it back on and clip it straight back in. The fact that it comes with this nozzle that you can direct straight into your coffee just makes it a lot more seamless and easy. As well as this, you can also bring down the nozzle for the coffee dispenser as well. So if you're making a small espresso and only have a small cup and don't want the coffee splashing all over the place, you can direct it straight towards the cup to ensure that you minimise the spillage when you're making your coffee. It's also got a built-in coffee grinder to ensure that you can make your coffee quickly and make sure that it's done properly. You can change how fine you want the beans depending on the coffee that you want as well. And from there, it's just a simple press button system. What I do love about the button system as well is just the fact that it's clearly pictured with colours. So you can click exactly what it is, the kind of coffee you're after. And it's really visually easy to display, especially if you're in a rush. You don't need to look and search. You can quickly press the button, get on with making the rest of your breakfast, and your coffee will be done in around 60 seconds. So it is a really quick and seamless process and a great way to make coffee quick. The only downside, as I mentioned earlier, is the fact that they can come out quite watery, and that is the only problem that I've found. It's also quite a big and heavy machine, so you need to make sure you've got the kitchen counter space in your kitchen to ensure that you're going to have enough room for this machine. But I still do like the really compact design. The fact that it's just really sleekly compact and you take this out to fill up the water and put it back in, it's really unnoticeable. And the fact that you can pull this out as well. So these all detach, so if you need to clean it thoroughly, you can do so. You can even take out this metal bit here at the front, and also this bit just to fully clean the inside as best you can. As you can see, there's already a bit of water and coffee in there from previous drinks that I've made. So this does need a clean, but all these added features and the fact that it does come apart quite well means it makes it really easy to clean. So if you're a clean freak like me, then these really come in handy. So that's what I like and don't like about this coffee machine. If this review's been helpful, please give it a thumbs up and enjoy the rest of your day.